Welcome to the office. We want to take a look at computing some right cosets. Once we do that, we'll compare them to the left to see if they're the same. All right, so we're working with the same group and the same subgroup that we were in the previous video. And in this case, I want to multiply on the right to determine the right cosets. So letting H be this group, I want to compute my right cosets. So H times 1, H1, is multiplying on the right by 1. So I have zeta times, actually, I'm sorry, I have 1 times 1. This is the number on the right, and zeta to the 4th times 1. And of course, multiplying by 1 doesn't change anything, but I wanted to emphasize the definition here where we are multiplying on the right. The roots of unity are a commutative group, so it doesn't really matter what's going on in terms of writing it on the left or right. But for other groups, it will matter, non-commutative groups. Of course, this is the same as multiplying by zeta to the 4th on the right. Again, since we're interested in multiplying on the right by various elements, and on the left, I'm always interested in using the group elements, the subgroup elements of 1 and 4 appearing on the left each time, and the elements here appearing on the right. So I'm interested in looking at these rows. So multiplying on the right by zeta. I'm not going to write it out each time. So multiplying by zeta is going to give us, let's see here, zeta to the 1st and zeta to the 5th. So zeta and zeta to the 5th, which is the same as multiplying by zeta to the 5th. I can multiply on the right by zeta squared. When I multiply by zeta squared, I get zeta squared and zeta to the 6th. That's the same as multiplying by zeta to the 6th on the right. Multiplying by zeta cubed now, I get zeta cubed and zeta to the 7th. That's the same as multiplying on the right by zeta to the 7th. So our right cosets are exactly these sets: 1, zeta to the 4th, zeta to the 5th, zeta squared and zeta to the 6th, zeta cubed and zeta to the 7th. So those are our right cosets. Finally, we want to compare this to our left cosets. So the number 1 and zeta to the 4th, the number 1 and zeta to the 4th, zeta to the 5th, zeta to the 5th, zeta squared, zeta to the 6th, zeta squared, zeta to the 6th, and finally zeta cubed, zeta to the 7th, zeta cubed, zeta to the 7th. So this looks really good. Yes, left and right cosets are the same. Left and right cosets are the same. Yay! Okay, that's actually a really cool characteristic for us. This is exactly the special circumstances that we're looking for in order for the cosets to create a group within themselves. So we'll take a look at this in our next video where we rearrange that multiplication table and try to observe that these cosets themselves create a group. And as we wrap up this video, I just want to give one comment on writing zeta. It's really tough. Mine don't look great. Yours might not either. And that's okay for now. Let's both work on improving it, and that would be wonderful. All right. So join me in the next video for going ahead and taking a look at that multiplication table.